So one of the most high quality airbrushes I've ever used is the Master G22 Airbrush. It's multi-purpose and has a solvent resistant needle, which increases the lifespan of the airbrush a huge amount. So in this video I'm going to go over and review the Airbrush Model G22 kit coming right up. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. On this channel we do a bunch of lifestyle and product review videos just like this one, so I highly encourage you to subscribe. Also, you can find everything we talk about in the video down in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. So you're starting out and you want a high quality airbrush, but you don't have a huge budget. Or instead you're asking questions like, what is the best airbrush makeup kit? Or maybe, what's the best airbrush for beginners? Today I'm going to show you my favorite airbrush set that I recommend to everybody, even if you're a beginner or you're a pro. It's a dual action airbrush, and the air compressor is not that loud, which is amazing. It works with any type of paint, and it sprays in even layers, which is really cool. The G22 airbrush will make your life 100 times easier like it did mine. Like I said, I highly encourage you to add this airbrush to your collection. It's the affordable, multi-purpose, premium Master G22 airbrush, and I love it. Now it's time for me to stop talking and to show you the airbrush. So this is the Master Airbrush Model G22 Airbrush set. The Master Airbrush Model G22 Airbrush set comes with the airbrush hose and the airbrush compressor. The G22 airbrush comes in this case, which has the airbrush, the nozzle spinner, the paint dropper for the G22 airbrush, the hose connector, and the barb to the Master Airbrush. This part of the G22 airbrush review, we go to the air compressor and the hose. It's really straightforward and fast when it comes to the airbrush compressor. You just plug in the Master Airbrush compressor, then screw the air hose on. Make sure you get the G22 airbrush hose on really tight, because if not, air will leak out and the airbrush will not work. You can turn the black knob here to change the pressure for the G22 airbrush, but you want to keep the pressure between 15 and 50 psi for the G22 airbrush to work properly. Now back to the G22 airbrush to assemble it. Just connect your G22 Master Airbrush with the hose. The hose should be already connected to your compressor. If not, go ahead, connect the hose to your compressor. So now you have your Master Airbrush G22 set up. Take the dropper only if you need it and put the paint into the color cup. To spray the Master Airbrush Model G22, you want to pick up the G22 Master Airbrush and press the trigger lightly. The air will come out, but not the paint. Pull the trigger back lightly for a nice coat of paint to come out, and there you go. If you want to mix the paint, you start by putting one color in, and then you take the other color and you put that in too. Do not press anything yet. Put the lid on. The lid is required if you don't want the paint to splat everywhere. Then you take your trigger, put your finger on the tip, and then press down and pull back. The colors will bubble inside the color cup and they will mix. Question of the day: what are you going to use your G22 airbrush set for? Tell me down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Share this video with a friend to help them out. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to give this video a like, and we will see you guys in the next video.